Okay, for our next question, it's given that a block of mass 1 kg lies on a horizontal surface in a truck. The coefficient of static friction between the block and the surface is zero point 0.6, and acceleration of the truck is 5 meter per second square. We have to calculate the force, friction force acting on it. So it's given that the mass of the block is 1 kg, coefficient of static friction is 0.6, acceleration of the truck is 5 meter per second square. Okay, so let this be a truck in which mass of block of 1 kg is lying, and acceleration of the truck is 5 meter per second square. Let this be the direction. So in this case, the force of friction would be in this direction. This is the force of friction, static friction. This is the normal, and this is the weight which is acting vertically downwards, and this is the direction of the pseudo force. Now we know that the static friction is given by the force of static friction divided by the normal. So this is 0.6, and force of static friction is the maximum value of friction, and here the normal is m into g, mass is 1, let's take g to be 10. So if we cross multiply this, static force is 6 into 10 is 6 Newton. Now let's calculate the pseudo force. The pseudo force is m into a, mass is 1, and this is the pseudo force. Acceleration is 5, so this is 5 Newton. So in this case, we see that the static force or the static friction is greater than the pseudo force. So that means that this is our force of friction, because this is greater than, and the truck is moving. The acceleration of the truck is 5 meter per second square. The coefficient of the static friction between force and surface is 0.56. Therefore, the friction force acting on the block will be the pseudo force. So the friction force acting on, that is the friction force acting on the block, is 5 Newton, because it is less than the maximum value of the friction, that is the static friction. So our force of friction acting on the block is 5 Newton. With this, we are done with this numerical. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.